showing y'all how I apply these Ardell individual lashes. This pack has longer lashes at the very bottom, and we work our way up to medium and short lashes. I got this pack from Target. It was just about $5, and this adhesive is also from Target too. It's clear, and you'll need you some tweezers. So I'm starting by just brushing my natural lashes into place so that I can start applying. You can dip the lash directly into the bottle like I'm doing, or you can pour the glue on a clean surface and dip it that way. It doesn't really matter how you do it. So I'm starting with the bottom row of longer lashes that I showed y'all, and I'm applying it to the outer end of my eye. And you can start in whichever direction you want. It doesn't matter. It's just my preference to start this way. And when applying, you want to make sure that you're putting it on your actual lash. So you don't want to apply the lashes directly on your skin because this glue is pretty strong and it'll be painful and irritate your skin. So try to get it as close as you can to your lash line, but just not on your skin. Please do not get this on your skin, I'm telling you. And if you care for these lashes gently, you don't have to worry about your natural lashes falling out with them. Just don't be rubbing on your eyes and acting crazy. You gotta treat them with love like they're your babies. Take care of them. I also like to space the lashes out when I'm doing this because I don't want to end up applying too many lashes in one area. So I space them and then I go back and fill them in. And once I work my way down my eyelid, I start to go shorter. So like I'll go to the medium length and then the shorter length as I get to the inner part of my eye. And I do just want to say, guys, be very careful with this because you can mess your natural lashes up if you're not cautious. So don't say I ain't tell y'all. You're doing this at your own risk. So do not do not come for me. But I've never had any problems with this method. I've done this about 2 times before this and I've been good. I ended up adding some long lashes to the middle because I decided I wanted it a little fluffier than it was coming out. And as you're filling the lashes in, try to make sure you're applying very, very close in between so they don't look too spacey. And I can go about 2 to 3 weeks before needing a fill. The better you care for them, the longer they will last you. So make sure you're cleaning them and try not to sleep on your face because not only will you crush them and have them looking wild, they'll get loose and start to fall out and it won't last you as long. And y'all, this is a very time consuming process and it won't be easy if this is your first time. So just take your time and breathe and be patient. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know in the comments if y'all tried this and how it works out for y'all. I want to know.